Lately I've been in my feelings like a hoe. I ain't been really having hope cause I've been missing my bro. I was at the pose in the Gucci Pico, trying to tell all y'all bitch ass niggas come broke. Damn bro, you weren't the only one that felt alone. I be feeling lonely too, I probably say it every song. Looking at my nieces, broke me down to pieces. Crying at the hospital, asking why you leave us. Looking at my nephew, anything his daddy breathe, but his daddy took his life and we can't get it back. Damn nigga, before I let you do that, would've killed the 100 niggas. Where the fuck them 100 niggas at? And you the reason that your baby brother cut though. You the reason baby brother love gun smoke. I was playing with your guns in the closet, would've had a bullet in the pilot, would've popped it.
What goes inside the toilet bowl, the shit, that's what I am. The bitch was talking back, the only thing she saw was my hand. Got tired counting money, so I popped myself a 5 band. 2 sticks with some drums, I'm a solo dolo rock band. Diamonds on my wrist, made a night look sunny. Let me put my cleats on, little butter, we can run it. I ain't saying I'm a god, but I can turn up in the sun. She gon' gargle this nut, swallow it, and say, shout out to my lows that be getting to the money, yeah. And shout out to my bees that be telling in the honey. AR-15 put some in his face and leave his nose running. I ain't gotta say shit, the bitch know I ain't a dumb. Had to cuss people out, they was moving too funny. At the end of the day, they was all tryna fuck. I'm a cool ass kid that just like the slow book. I just want a pretty bitch that fuck real ugly. Yeah, I'm dropping bands on them, bands on them, bands on them, bands.